Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500HD boasts an engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the mirrors, outside West Coast type, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, cruise control, engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timings fee and the license plate front mounting package. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.